Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to solve the custom thumbnail problem on YouTube Studio. So first of all, let's see what's the problem actually we're facing. Let's suppose it's your channel and you want to upload any custom thumbnail on any kind of video. So I'm just going to trying to upload custom thumbnail. Now here you can see these are the thumbnail of the main video, right? But if you want to add custom thumbnail, if you tap on custom thumbnail, now here you can see to add custom thumbnails, verify your account on YouTube on your computer. So you need to verify your YouTube account on your computer, right? But if you don't have a computer, but don't need to worry about it, because if you try to use Chrome, you can just access to desktop version of it. So what you need to do is just simply go to Google Chrome, right? So now here you also need to make sure that you are logged in with that account which you want to solve the problem. So here you can see three dot, tap on that and tap on check mark on the desktop side. Now here you can see we are on the desktop version. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tap on my profile icon on the top right side. Now here you can see uh, settings option. Okay, and in this option, if you try to access your YouTube Studio or just any other option, it will redirect yourself to YouTube Studio. So what you can do is you can simply let's just try. You can simply uninstall this, or you can simply uh, just turn YouTube Studio off. Alright, but it's still opening, right? So what we need to do is we need to uninstall this YouTube Studio, right? But if you have desktop and you can access to your your YouTube account, then you don't need to do this stuffs. You just simply log in with your desktop and simply go to YouTube Studio, right? Now here you can see we are on YouTube Studio. Okay, and let me show you. If I just go to my dashboard or video list, and here you can see this is my video, and if I try to edit, I'm just tapping on that video which I want to upload the thumbnail. Now here you can see upload thumbnail, right? Now just tap on that, and here you can see gain access to this feature, which means to add custom thumbnails first you need to verify your phone number. So what you need to do is simply tap on upload thumbnail and tap on verify, right? All right, so it's still redirecting me to my YouTube account. Okay, now here you can see we are on Google Chrome still. Now here you can see text me the verification code. So what you need to do, you need to type your phone number in from on that phone number. You will be able to receive a verification code and you need to verify your account, right? Now here you can see enter your 6-digit verification code. So definitely I have received the verification code, which is you can see on the screen. So I'm just simply submitting, and now here you can see phone number verified, right? So it's telling me that congratulations, your phone number is now verified. Now let me just download that YouTube Studio again. So you need to make sure that you install YouTube Studio later. um, okay, after completing the verification process. Now open it up, and if I try to go and if I try to upload my thumbnail again, and let me see, if I tap on custom thumbnail, now here you can see it's opening, and I am able to upload custom thumbnail. Okay, now it's okay, it's being uploaded perfectly. And if I tap on save, okay, now here you can see thumbnail is uploaded. So in this way you can fix the problem of uploading thumbnail on YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.